How to play 7 Days to Die multiplayer PC easy guide. Most people get this wrong, but playing 7 Days to Die multiplayer on PC is easier than it seems. You won't believe how quickly you can join friends and survive the zombie apocalypse together. Start by launching the game and updating to the latest version. Multiplayer requires version compatibility for all players. Next, choose your connection method. You can host a game locally, join an online server, or set up a dedicated server. Local games are fast for LAN play, while dedicated servers provide stability and allow more players. If hosting, select host game and configure world settings, player limits and difficulty. Enable online access if you want friends outside your network to join. Share your IP address and port number if needed. Joining a server is even simpler. Browse public or private servers in the Join Game menu. Filter by map, difficulty or player count. Click Connect, enter a password if required, and jump straight into the action. Once in-game, coordinate with teammates, build defenses, gather resources, and plan zombie horde strategies together. Voice chat or external messaging apps significantly improve team communication. In conclusion, 7 Days to Die multiplayer on PC in 2025 is all about selecting the right hosting method, ensuring everyone's version matches, and coordinating effectively in-game. With these steps, surviving together becomes a fun and immersive experience.